What's up, Royals? Welcome to Tonitra's Garden. Today is the second day of filming and sowing seeds into the new garden. I'm gonna head up there now. I think I left my bucket out there yesterday, so I'll try to find that. But we are up bright and early this morning. It is about 7:30. The sun has not risen over the clouds, so that is exciting for me. It's not super hot, it's nice and cool. So let's go ahead and get some melons and some cucumbers sown into the garden. Let's go, you guys. Oh, it feels good to be up early. I haven't been up this early in quite some time. Oh, somebody's been in my seeds. I have yet to introduce you guys to Lily, but I think this was her doing. Lily's my little dog. She is up at the front porch, so. Oh, we've got ants. Oh, let's get this cleaned up. Oh, these are fire ants. She ate through my bag and ate my seeds. Or maybe this isn't Lily's doing. No, these might be birds, you guys. But I'm really not too sure. I'm gonna have to put a camera out here. All of my yard-long beans. You know what I think this was? I think it was a squirrel. Because I had put a peanut butter trap out for fire ants the other day, and a squirrel came and got the peanut butter. And we have squirrels that run all along this fence line, so that's what I think it was. You know, at my old garden, I didn't really have any pest or animal issues. I mean, I had pests sometimes, like caterpillars and stuff trying to eat my greens and stuff like that, but I've never had like true animals like birds and squirrels. So, you know, we're out here in the country. It's a little different out here. There's definitely wildlife out here. So let me just finish picking up my beans because I saved these from the old garden. If you saw in my last video, I had some beans that had dried very nicely. So I wanted to make sure that I saved seeds from those. I did see a garden snake too. Like, I've never seen any snakes at my old house, nothing. But out here, there was a small garden snake. It was about this big and it was brown. It was up by the porch. So I just gotta kind of look out here because there could be snakes, all type of stuff. Okay. So yesterday, me and Adonis, my little helper, my son, we actually got further than I expected us to get. So we finished off this raised bed back here. We finished this raised bed. So all we have left is really this area right here. Let me get y'all. So all we need to do is a row here. We need to do this whole raised bed. And then we have this area right here. So not very much at all. So in my little seed bucket, I'm doing the midget melon. I'm gonna try the market more, cucumber, market more. Let's go ahead and get these market mores seeded and the midget melon seeded. So I'm trying to decide if I should put the melons here and the cucumbers here, or the melons here and the cucumbers here. I think I'm gonna put the cucumbers here and the melons here. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so those are watered in. I would put a couple zinnias on the edge of this bed if I had some. I'll have to go to Lowe's and get my favorite zinnias, but I don't have any on hand, so I'll have to do that later. But we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next trellis. Here's the next space we're working on, this trellis here. I have this little sliver that I need to fill, and then this whole bed needs to be filled with something. I'm thinking cantaloupes along the trellis, and then what can go in here that does well in the summer? I don't know. I'll have to look through my seeds. Have any seeds that I would like to put right here right now, but I did want to have some fall tomatoes, so I might end up getting some transplants from the nursery and putting tomatoes there, like some determinants or some peppers. So I'll have to go to the nursery and see what they have, so I'll save that little area for another video. All right, Royals, that is gonna wrap it up for today's video. I'm so happy that I got out here early. It is so quiet and so peaceful. So this will probably be my new thing, to just get out here as early as I can before the summer heat kicks in. But if you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Royals.